G'day guys, this is Jacqui from Fourby Fitouts, just running you through our low profile system fitted into a 200 series. So this system is super straightforward, simple but effective storage. So it features a false floor on the bottom that bolts into pre-existing bolt holes. Then we've got our side pocket to the left-hand side over the wheel arch, fridge slide, 980mm long drawer to the driver's side with side bins. So they're hinge lids, contour cut to the quarter panel. So nice, handy little storage areas in there. We've got a sideboard in the middle of the drawer and the fridge slide. So anything that's stored on top of the drawer doesn't fall behind your fridge. This is our drawer, so it's lockable, 20 roller bearings per drawer, galvanized sheet metal, weighs about 30 kilos, really heavy duty. We've never had a warranty claim on a drawer in all of our 18 years of business, so we're pretty proud of that one. So you can see the roller bearings there and the finish, all felted on the inside, stainless steel locks and latches, so you can take things in and out really easily, and you can take this anywhere and everywhere all over Australia on the most corrugated roads and it will not fail. All Aussie made as well. We make everything in-house, so we're really proud to have that logo on all of our products. This is our fridge slide, so single-handed motion, as you can see, super easy to use. Powder coated steel, linear rollers, rated to about 120 kilos. That's our 50 litre fridge slide. We've got 3 different sizes, 40, 50 and 60. You can see slots there for the tie downs for your fridge as well. So that's the finish, really neat. Everything's modular and removable, so when you get home from your trip, you can take everything out if you want to, put it back in as many times as you like. It's really simple. A lot of the bolts you can see, you just take them out bit by bit. It's like a big Meccano set. That's the room behind the fridge slide. There are side bins. Really easy to use. Nice handy storage area. All marine carpet as well. We use a mix of light and hard plyboard as well. Make sure the weight overall stays down without compromising on the quality. A little bit of room there behind the drawer, which is good too. And you can see the space behind the fridge a bit easier there. This is our drawer table. So it's a big food grade chopping board that sits inside the drawer like that. So it gives you really quick and easy food prep space, and that stores away vertically between the fridge slide and the drawer normally. So that's our low profile. It's available for lots of different vehicles. So jump on our website and have a squeeze and see if it's available for your type of vehicle. You can request a quote online as well, or just give us a ring and we can help you out. We can also send a lot of our units out Australia-wide with DIY installation kits, so you can fit it yourself from home. We pre-assemble a lot of the unit prior to sending, so it's just really, really easy for you to fit in, and most vehicles don't require drilling of the vehicle either. So feel free to get in touch with us and we'd love to help you out.